Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Lily, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a Shein account. So first of all, make sure you have downloaded the Shein app. If not, you can go to the App Store and download the app. So once you have downloaded it, launch the app. Now tap on Me icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. In here, tap on Sign in or Register in the top left corner of the screen. Now enter your mobile number or email address, or you can also choose the other three options, that is continue with Google, Facebook or Apple for ease. For this tutorial, I'll be using my email address. So let me enter my email address and then tap on continue. Now choose a password for your Shein account and then tap on register. Now you can also enter your phone number, however you can also skip it. So for this tutorial I'll tap on skip, and hence your registration has been successful.